ಹಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
Hi, good morning, students. Good morning, sir. Today we are celebrating 190th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a father of Constitution. He was a man of the Constitution and he was called as a man of social justice, liberty, equality, and he was framed a wonderful written Constitution for our country, which makes today we stand by here with good principles, philosophies, thinkings. So we are hereby and standing by before the Constitution and before law. And he is not only a framed a Constitution, he was a professor, a philosopher, thinker, great, knowledgeable and innovative person that he have been having as a drafting committee with his members like Rajendra Prasad and so many members. It was taken 2 years and 18 months for framing this written constitution came into existence on 26th of November 1949 and it's become for Republic of our country on 26th January 1950. Such a person like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, so he has made reservations for communities and make a livelihood for the underprivileged and discriminating communities. So he was a great thinker and he was make a way, a truth for our citizens of our country. So today we are celebrating his 190th birth anniversary throughout the country in all education institutions all over the country with a great tremendously. So in our organization, Spanandi Foundation, with our students' presence, we are celebrating his birth anniversary and making the remembrance. What are the sacrifices, what are the thinkings, philosophies, policies that we have to remember in our lives, and we should also follow some such principles and such equalities and law before law. The Constitution is supporting today to right to speak or right to vote or right to Constitution and right to fundamental rights, or right to religion, right to freedom of speech or expressions, all because of a great dynamic and dimensional person like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Today we are not only one day we should not be remembrance, he is taking his policies and principles every day in our lives. We have to implement, we have to live, and we should also make such examples. Okay, my dear students, what you should do from all these things. So it is your duty to study hard, and the time which up to the degree, SSLC, PUC degree, you should have good education. Again, you cannot study. So whenever the opportunities comes, you should study well. You should put your efforts, hard work, sincere efforts. That should have a big dreams. Or we can call as man of a missile like Dr. Abdul Kalam. So we can call as a man of a constitution like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So you children should have good decisions, good desires, good aspirations. That definitely reflects in your mind and how that you can focus in your education. Only education makes and changes in you, with you and society and country. So do good education. You should have good. Whenever I speak a word that you should become at least, you can become an IAS officer, IPS officer, scientist, farmers, a professor, big dreams and aspirations. I wish you all the very best for your studies. All your exams have been completed. You are going promoted for next levels. So do continue all the performances with good mind and soul and heartful. So I conclude my words, and we are all today gathered here for this wonderful occasion. So thank you everyone who have been with us, all the students, everyone. So thank you very much.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ದು ಜಯಂತಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ?
Dr.
ಇವರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು, ಇವರು ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ, ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಇವರು ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮಿಟ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸ್ಥಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಲಾಸಫರ್, ಥಿಂಕರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇವರು ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬುಕ್ಸ್, 2000 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇವರು ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಓದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು, ಲಾ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಾತುಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಭಾಷಣ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.